If your Google Chrome is displaying in a language other than English, don't worry. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step how to change it back to English. Let's get started with the simplest solutions and work our way to more advanced fixes if needed. First, open Chrome and click the three dots over here. This is the menu button, even if it's in another language. From the drop-down menu, click on the option that says Settings. If you're unsure, look for the gear icon or the word that resembles settings in your current language. On the left sidebar, the option that's halfway down after the center between top options and bottom options, the one that has a letter A and another letter in different language, that's languages that we need to click. In the language settings, you will see a list of languages. If English is not listed, click on Add Languages or the top button in blue if it's in a different language. Search for English in the list, check the box next to it, and click Add. Once English is added, click the three dots next to it and select Display Google Chrome in this language. You will see a prompt asking you to restart Chrome. Click Relaunch to apply the changes. After Chrome restarts, it should now be in English. To confirm, go back to the three dots in the top right corner and check if the menu is in English. If Chrome is still not in English, ensure that English is the top of the language list. Click the three dots next to English again and select Move to the top, then restart Chrome once more. If the issue persists, your system language settings might be overwriting Chrome. On Windows, go to Settings, Time and Language, and ensure English is set as the default. On Mac, go to System Settings, General Language and Region, and set English as the primary language. If none of the above steps work, consider reinstalling Chrome. First, uninstall it from your computer, then download the latest version from the official Google Chrome website. During installation, make sure to select English as the preferred language, and that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to change Google Chrome's language to English. If you encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.